Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can use Tableau to transform raw data into meaningful visual database. So here I have raw database containing sales, profit, order, category, subcategories, region, state and some other details. So I have connected this dataset to Tableau as a data source and then used different dimensions and measures to create the required visualizations. From these visualizations, I have created interactive dashboard. At the top, we have our KPI cards showing total sales, total profit, total orders, and profit margin. This gives us a quick overview of the overall business performance. Then we have sales by category and profit by region, which help us compare the performance across different categories and regions. We also have a sales by region map, which gives us a clear geographical view of our sales performance. Finally, the sales versus profit chart help us to compare these two key measures and understand which category and region are performing better. We can also use filters and interactive elements, explore the data from different perspective and perform deeper analysis. Overall, Tableau helps us transform raw data into interactive and meaningful visualizations, making it easier to identify trends, generate insights, and supports better data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching.